If your website is showing this site can't be reached error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error step by step in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router. After restarting, check if the error is fixed. Step 2. Open your browser, go to the settings, then privacy and security, and clear your browsing data. Now check again if the error is fixed. Step 3. In the Chrome search bar, type the same and click on the clear DNS cache. Then check the website again. Step 4. Open command prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. This will refresh your DNS and in most cases the error will be fixed. If this video helped you to fix the error, please like the video and subscribe the channel for more helpful tips.